Okay, we're going to practice genres. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read you a piece of writing, and I want you to decide what type of genre it is. So Hansel and Gretel, maybe you know this or not, but here's a little segment from it. The story of the young girl and the boy who got lost in the woods and stumbled upon a gingerbread house. They eat a bunch of it until they find out it's a magical witch's house. She enslaves them, cages them, and feeds them candy to fatten them up as she intends to eat them. Eventually, they escape. Number 2, buying a farm. Ever since losing his father in a tragic accident on the farm, talented musician Jason Freeborn hasn't been the same. His grades have been slipping, he's stopped going to music lessons, and he can't seem to relate with his friends anymore. To make matters worse, the bank is trying to take his family's farm. Number 3, The Journey of America. This textbook contains a brief overview of major events in American history. Learn about colonization of Jamestown, George Washington, the Civil War, and more. Number 4, My Neighbor, Ben Franklin. This is a fictional story of a young boy who lives with his family next door as one of the American founding fathers, Benjamin Franklin. This young boy, Ben Franklin, is conducting some kooky experiments, overhears some Franklin secret meetings, and has the opportunity to help in big ways.